about my 10-year-long association with the family. See, when you start a connection or a professional relationship, yes, my objective is that it can last as long is. And there is no defined time to it, yes. Every business venture has a contractual time period set to it, but what's wonderful is once you establish a relationship, it kind of stands the test of time. And I'm proud to say that a lot of my endorsement associations definitely have stood that test on very steady ground, and I have had a wonderfully long association with most of my brands, and yes, definitely with Longines. The way time flies here, that's one thing that I think, all lose touch with, the amount of time spent in the careers that we are in, which I think is definitely a blessing. It's great, and I think I'm today related to the biggest example of all, my father-in-law, who has been in the film business for 40 years. And truly, when you see the passion and the commitment with which he works as a professional, no one would ever tell that that's the kind of time span he has spent in this industry. But that's the nature of our business, and I think that's the media world. You all are part of that. The pace of our life is just so busy and so hectic, which is a good sign, that you don't necessarily feel the kind of time that you've spent in this business. So yes, I do realize, especially when I mention associations for 10 years, or when I'm working with Sanjay right now, in fact today, when you come away from the set of Guzarish and he reminds you that people celebrated Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam this year, 10 years of that, and you're like, oh my God, wow, was it that long ago? So it's fabulous. It's Subhashi had a celebration recently, and then you realize, okay, 10 years to Tal, and time has definitely flown. But it's great when you're doing the kind of work that you do. You work with the colleagues that you do. It's been wholesome. It's been a wonderful experience thus far. And to this very minute, to this very day, today, right in front of the cameras on set, was just so incredible that I consider myself blessed. Well, you know, that's kind of an unsaid commitment. It doesn't have to be actually worded in the contract. When you do people like me, when I do choose to associate with a brand, then I do definitely commit to it wholeheartedly and would look for every opportunity that I am wearing or using a product of that particular category. Then I would definitely, put my hand or my word where my word is, and definitely commit to the brand I'm endorsing. Expect anything now from my life? Well, when you're giving so much wholeheartedly, I think the fruits are just naturally sweet. Good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for the warm welcome. It's always a pleasure to be here present with the Longines family. Been with the family for 10 years now, but enjoyed every minute of our association. And I'm glad to be present today at the launch of the Master Collection Retrograde. It's a beautiful model, thank you. I love big dials, strong, makes a fabulous impression. And I'd like to share what I believe about time, and that is, it's all about now. Time is all about now for me, to make the best of now, to give my best to now, and live it to the fullest. Welcome. I think he's covered questions for all of you today. See, when you start a connection or a professional relationship, that it can last as long long is. And there is no defined time to it. Yes, every business venture has a contractual time period set to it. But what's wonderful is once you establish a relationship, it kind of stands the test of time. And I'm proud to say that a lot of my endorsement associations definitely have stood that test on very steady ground. And I have had a wonderfully long association with most of my brands. And yes, definitely with Longines. And I was privileged to be in such fine company, belonging to the film fraternity. And we just saw eye to eye immediately in terms of ideologies, in terms of approach, understanding, principle of our day-to-day, our business choices, our approach to our careers, and integrity. So I was very, very happy to associate with the brand. Well, people like me, when I do choose to associate with a brand, then I do definitely commit to it wholeheartedly and would look for every opportunity that I am wearing or using a product of that particular category. Then I would definitely, put my hand or my word where my word is and definitely commit to the brand I'm endorsing. Do I have any regrets? No, I don't believe in regrets. I think life is definitely a learning curve, and I think if you are present in all your experiences for what they are, you will learn from it, whether they're good, bad, or ugly. Whatever your experiences have been, I think it's important to live them and learn from them. That's all about perspective. It's the way you look at it, whether you look at times as good or bad. It's really about your approach. And I always say, for me, be positive is not just a blood group. So I definitely have a very, very positive approach. And like I said, every experience is looked upon as a learning curve. And it's been a good time thus far.
Barbie doll market में 9 December को आ रही है. Do you launch हो रही है? You think you're missed out because, or you want to give any wishes to Katrina for that? Because
I don't know how it is for us to be discussing another brand here, but yes, I was asked by that brand, not just now, but I think since Miss World, then at the turn of the millennium, then when my films were a raging success after Cannes, and this year was the 4th time actually that I was requested by that brand, Barbie, to walk the ramp for them on that particular day. But I was a committed professional working with Vipul, and Vipul Shah needed my date on that day. So I was unable to accept that offer to walk the ramp on that particular day for them. And like I said, no regrets whatsoever.
But Aishwarya, the same brand has been given to Katrina Kaif. So any wishes do you want to give her?
Good luck to her.
But it looks like Vikram is keeping a rather watchful eye on someone else. So just who is that special someone? Well, let's take a look.
Okay, I share the space and my words with none other but Aishwarya Rai. Thank you, Aishwarya. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Absolute pleasure.
Long time no see. What have you been doing?
What have I been doing?
Yeah.
I've been just flying with time. There's just been so much work. I've been traveling a lot. I'm back in the city after a long time, but working with Sanjay, so we've been in the set and not that accessible to the world at large. But opportunities like this allow me to share time with you.
Okay. She's talking about time. She's wearing a really expensive watch. Can we have a look at that watch?
Yeah, there.
Look at that watch.
That's the cool Longines Master Collection Retrograde.
How much does it cost?
Well, they say cool 2.7.
So what else has been happening? Have you house pa?
House Pa? As in Pa the movie? Pa Pa?
Pa the movie, Pa. Who is Pa in the movie?
Dad, I have a son.
All Pas, whether it's Pa, as in Mr. Amitabh Bachchan to you all, incredible human being, professional, I don't need to say these words, but who's leading an extremely busy life. with all his commitments, and you all are aware of it with his blogging. Abhishek, who plays Pa in the movie, is not here. He's in Goa working with Ashutosh, so we are all over the country, literally. And Pa, the movie, well, I'm looking forward to it. I haven't seen the movie. I've seen the promos just like the rest of the world and loved it.
Have you met Oro?
Of course I met Oro, and oh my God, I had just dropped in at shooting one of the days, and I couldn't believe it, because there he was across the table from Abhishek, and that's Pa. You know, you kind of do not want to be dramatic because you'll get accused of just being dramatic because you're family, but I was dramatic. I was totally taken aback by his presence as Oro.
Well, that is also the first film that is coming out of AB Corps now, and so we are seeing you only in 2010.
Ravan is complete in terms of our making it. Vipul's film Action Replay is also almost done, just the songs left. Enthiran, there's very little left in the making, and Guzarish is going on right now. So yeah, the directors will roll them out as they plan to release it, rather than necessarily, you know, it doesn't always work out in terms of only completion, but it's also their plans as to what time of the year they want to release it and how they want to go about it. So.
Well, back to time, and I'm sure the time will be right when it releases. Thank you so much for your words, and best of luck.
Thank you so much. Absolute pleasure. Take care.
And as usual, Vikram Thapa two-timing me with Aishwarya Rai Bachchan.
I think since Miss World, then at the turn of the millennium, then when my films were a raging success after Cannes, and this year was the 4th time actually that I was requested by that brand. But I was a committed professional working with Vipul, and Vipul Shah needed my date on that day, so I was unable to accept that offer.
ये कहकर आप कहीं I'm joined by one of Bollywood's most beautiful actresses, Aishwarya Rai. Thank you so much for joining us on CNN 9 PM.
Absolute pleasure.
Aishwarya, what's the first thing that comes to your mind, or what's the one thing that you really look out for when you sign a brand, say like Longines?
Well, with Longines, it was an easy yes, because firstly, just the long duration that they've been in the business, incredible history. The brand definitely belongs to the watch business. And their motto, elegance is an attitude. I mean, I absolutely saw eye to eye with them instantly, so it was an easy yes.
You know, talking about Pa, everyone seems to be just talking about that. So what's your say about this role reversal of sorts?
Well, I obviously knew about the idea of the movie Pa, and I think Balki was brilliant in coming up with this conceptually and creatively.
Aishwarya, talking about, you know, social networking sites, we see Mr. Amitabh Bachchan who's on blog and he's in touch with his fans. Then there's Abhishek who's on Twitter and he's got like thousands of fans following him.
Yes.
So what's the way that you really keep in touch with your fans?
Possibly my own website. Definitely when it comes to social networking sites, there are so many imposters that people are convinced I'm already on. I'm not so far. My birthday, I was almost tempted to get onto possibly Twitter,
right,
because of the kind of overwhelming response that I have received from well-wishers. So one thing be sure, that I will, through you, the media, announce the moment I'm on any of these sites or I start my own.
Thank you so much, Aishwarya. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much.
Likewise.